Alright folks, welcome to Steel Dreams Garage. This is going to be our first video for 2023. We're going to do a cold start on my 01 Road King Classic. She's been sitting up for about 4 months. Been sitting here, hadn't been cranked or rode. I've had my trickle charger hooked up to her, keeping the battery up and stuff on her. Old girl's, I'm the third owner, and the old girl has got 97,808 miles on her. Still good running bike. Last trip was on, I put 119 on it myself, but we're gonna fire off and see what she'll do here, or try to fire it off. Up a minute. So it's the first time been started in 4 months. Old girl's been good. There we go. There we go. Been a lot of, I've done it ever since I've had the bike. I've done all the service and maintenance on it, keeping it up. I had to put the white walls on it. Got the white walls front and back. It makes the bike with the white walls on it. Goes great with the color. She's got the crash bars front and back. Take her on a trip one of these evenings. See if I can mount my phone. Take a little road trip, put some miles on it.